everyone. I'm attorney Aiden Durham with 180 Law Co. in Denver, Colorado, and you're watching All Up in Your Business. There's been a lot of talk in the news lately about LeBron James trying to register the trademark for the phrase Taco Tuesday. Most recently, the news is all about how the USPTO, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, denied his trademark registration. LeBron, USPTO says no to LeBron's trademark. Government Patent Office says LeBron can't trademark Taco Tuesday. Those are all the headlines that you see splash across the front page of the news and everything. Or like on, the pop shows and sports pages at least, maybe. While all of that is kind of true, it's a bit misleading. And if you do a little bit of digging, it's much more interesting, the story behind it. So in this episode of All Up in Your Business, we're going to talk about LeBron James's Taco Tuesday trademark and why it got denied. And because it's late and I'm hungry, and I've been thinking about tacos all day while I've been preparing for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy some tacos while we chat about Taco Tuesday. And y'all know I'm a vegetarian, so I had to go to Del Taco because they've got those bomb Beyond tacos with the meatless meat in the tacos. I have been obsessed with these things since they came out. Shit is good. And I'm not affiliated with Del Taco. They're not sponsors of this. They, I guess, should be, or maybe they could be. Ooh, I would totally, Del Taco. If anyone from Del Taco is watching, hit me up, because I'm in. And because I don't want to disgrace the spirit of Taco Tuesday, I'm going to enjoy it all with a nice margarita as well. So, cheers, or salud. Before we get into all of it, be sure to like and subscribe and share with all of your friends on social medias. Check the description for additional information as well and some freebie downloadable guides and cheat sheets and stuff too. Okay, so LeBron James, Taco Tuesday. LeBron filed a trademark application for Taco Tuesday on July 15, 2019. The first thing I want to get out of the way is to clear up a common misconception about trademarks. I'm hearing a lot of people freaking out saying, what? So I'm not going to be able to say Taco Tuesday anymore because LeBron James owns it? No. A trademark doesn't mean you own the word. Trademarks are specific to the goods and services with which they're registered. So LeBron, unless he is getting this trademark to use with his Mexican restaurant, the local taco joint down the street can still continue using the phrase for Taco Tuesday for their taco specials. And there's no trademark that can prevent you from using a word or a phrase in your day-to-day life. LeBron will not be suing you if you decide to invite all of your friends to a Taco Tuesday themed party at your house. So let's actually take a look at the trademark application. You can see on the application that LeBron's intending to use Taco Tuesday in connection with advertising and marketing services, podcasting services, and online entertainment services. So if it gets registered, his trademark will really only apply to those services and related fields and services. The headlines all say, LeBron James, Taco Tuesday trademark denied. And USPTO says LeBron can't trademark Taco Tuesday. Now, not to say that those people are all completely wrong and spreading false information, but those people are kind of wrong and they're spreading misleading information. The USPTO issued an office action for the trademark. Yes, office action is technically like a preliminary denial or rejection of the registration, but it doesn't mean that the registration is completely dead. It doesn't mean that LeBron's completely out of luck. Probably at least half of the trademarks that I've worked on have received office actions similar to his, and the majority of them have gotten registered anyway. I mean, I am pretty good, if I do say so myself. But the point is, the office action isn't the end of the line. LeBron, or really his attorneys, have 6 months to respond to the office action and try to overturn the rejection. If they do that, if they respond and the USPTO doesn't accept that response, and then they'll issue another office action, a final office action. And LeBron's still going to have an opportunity to appeal that. So this is not the end of the story. Let's take a look at the office action and why the USPTO says that the trademark can't be registered. The first reason it's being denied is that the USPTO says it doesn't function as a trademark because it's a commonplace term that is widely used and it merely conveys an informational message. They say that it's a widely used message used by various parties to express enthusiasm for tacos by promoting and celebrating them on a dedicated weekday. Because of that, they don't really consider it a trademark. That portion of the denial of the office action is what most outlets seem to be focusing on. But there's more to this story. The USPTO also based the denial on a likelihood of confusion with another trademark. Techno Taco Tuesday for advertising, marketing, and promotional services and live parties and events. The USPTO believes that since the services are so closely related, consumers may perceive Taco Tuesday as just being a shortened form of Techno Taco Tuesday and would confuse the two. Back to the issue of that it doesn't function as a trademark. The USPTO says that Taco Tuesday is merely informational. If consumers are accustomed to seeing a phrase used in connection with goods and services from many different sources, it's probably not going to function as a trademark. That's what they say. So that means that nobody can trademark Taco Tuesday then, right? Ha! Wrong! There are actually 4 registered trademarks for Taco Tuesday and 5 pending registrations that have all gotten further along than LeBron's pending application. We've got a Taco Tuesday for clothing, Taco Tuesday for purses and bags, Taco Tuesday for gaming devices, and even a Taco Tuesday for restaurant services. And I checked, none of them received an office action with this same kind of refusal, similar to how LeBron did. None of them. Well, so how in the world can all of those trademarks be allowed, but LeBron's is denied? Well, this is just a fun little example of the exciting world of working with trademarks. Identical trademarks can have completely opposite results. But if I had to take a guess, I think LeBron's going to end up getting the trademark registered if he wants to continue fighting for it. The fact that there are other registered trademarks out there with Taco Tuesday certainly supports that the USPTO's refusal should be reversed. And sure, while all of us use the phrase Taco Tuesday to express our joy and excitement and love for tacos and Tuesdays and margaritas, I'm venturing to guess that LeBron's business ventures aren't going to have anything to do with actual tacos or Taco Tuesday as we think of it when we say Taco Tuesday. In that sense, LeBron's team could make some kind of an argument that Taco Tuesday isn't a commonplace term or merely informational as it relates to the services that LeBron's going to be using them with. The likelihood of confusion issue, I think they could probably get around that too. Even though the USPTO thinks Techno Taco Tuesday and Taco Tuesday are pretty much the same thing, there are some strong arguments that can be made to support that techno, the addition of techno being in there is strong enough to differentiate the two. Also, Techno Taco Tuesday is used apparently for techno-specific events. And again, I don't know LeBron, but I'm going to guess that his content and his stuff isn't going to be focused on techno. So I think there are some arguments to be made there too. The last thing that I want to point out is something that I find very interesting. Look at the date of the application. August 15th. Look at the date of the office action. September 11th. The USPTO issued the office action not even a month after the application was filed. What? The standard USPTO procedure is that an examining attorney will be assigned to your trademark within about 3 months or so. I have filed close to 100 trademark applications. Never, not even once, have I heard anything back in less than 3 months. I have applications that I filed before LeBron did that I still haven't heard anything about. They still haven't even assigned a person to look at them. So the fact that LeBron gets a response in under a month really chaps my ass. That's the real story here. Maybe the examining attorney isn't a Lakers fan. You know, just really wanted to get in there and act fast on tearing LeBron down. Who knows? I'm completely speculating. Whatever the reason, I'm not happy about it. So, despite what you may have heard, this is not the end of the road for LeBron and Taco Tuesday. He's got 6 months to respond to the office action, so by March 11th, we'll know if LeBron is thrown in the towel or if he's fighting for his rights to tacos and Tuesdays. So make sure you check back to my channel around then, because best believe I'm going to be talking about it. In reality, LeBron's kind of going to win this fight either way. If they register the trademark, then great, he's got the trademark. But even if they don't, it's like an official opinion that Taco Tuesday is a commonplace term that can't function as a trademark. The USPTO said so. So that means for LeBron, he can't be sued for trademark infringement for using it because it can't function as a trademark. So in the end, either result is going to be beneficial for him, and he's probably not going to actually have to stop using Taco Tuesday or anything like that. But again, check back in March. We shall see. That's all for this episode. Let me know in the comments what your favorite tacos are. Also, let me know if you liked this video and if you want me to make more like this. Not about tacos. Hi, dude. Rocky wants my tacos. Not about tacos, but about trademark and intellectual property, celebrity news, and pop culture news. There's a lot of news about that, and I love celebrity gossip, and then trademarks even more. So I'm totally on board if you guys are all interested in hearing about those stories too. But, you know, my goal here is to get y'all learned. So I'm still going to be educating and talking about it in a way so that you can actually learn something and gather some tips or information that's going to be useful for your business. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do more about stories like this. Okay, I'm going to go lay on the couch and enjoy my taco coma now. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Aiden Durham, and I'll see you next time. Let's fucking go. You guys tried this? Oh, shit.